You gonna take a bath? You gonna take a bath, Birdie? I'll just splash him a little bit. Get a little bit on his head. Oh, gonna take a bath? Birdie Pablo. There he goes. You gonna go in there? You gonna go in and take a bath? You gonna go and take a bath? Oh, here's other birds out there. Oh, there he goes.
What is that?
Oh, he's taking a bath. Woo! Look at him fluffed up. Look how fluffy he is. Woo! I wonder if we should have put more water in there.
Take a little more.
Why don't you get a glass? Oh, you do make a mess. Oh, you do make a mess. Make sure it's kind of warm. You're not gonna scare him. Look how fluffy he is. Oh!
More water, is that good?
I think that's good because he's making a mess. Oh my goodness! Yeah, I see why Susan does this in the shower now. This will be the last time in the sink.
Let me get a hand towel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! What is going on, Pip? This isn't fair, is it? Oh my goodness! Oh, I gotta leave.